Are you a trader and actively trade on the exchange? Start using the free Traders Diaries. The service is designed to monitor your trades and trading progress. Diaries are connected through API keys generated by the exchange. The service is absolutely safe and doesn't aggregate your confidential information. The Traders Diaries is used daily by thousands of traders. Traders Diaries automatically downloads all your trades, which you can review and analyze in detail. Each trade is displayed and can be expanded. You can add a comment even while it's open. You can also attach a photo or video. Here you can overview entry points and fixation points and find the full report. The diary has an integrated convenient screener that will help you find trading situations for your trading session. In addition to the online screener in the diary, you will find the referral links for receiving discounts on trading commissions. Trading signals are available on the upper panel where you can search them to work out throughout the day. You can find the link to this service in the description under the video. Start using the diary today and you will be able to track your trades and adjust your trading every day.